What up, y'all? Made it out here. Got the Hobie in the truck. About to launch out here in the harbor. About to get on some pinfish first. Scoop up some blues after that, bluefish. See if we can't rile that school up. And then maybe head over, you can't see it over there. There's a bridge over here. Might drop some pinfish down those pylons. See if we can get outclassed. All right, let's roll. Ooh, that is a glorious sight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now the key is to launch without dumping your shit right away. Looks like we're gonna pull it off today. Throw these paddles in. Drop the rudder here. Nice and calm today. So first order of business, head over on these docks, catch some pinfish. Phenomenal bait for the bluefish. Go catch a couple of these guys and we'll be in business. Agua. Just cruising. Diamonds, really diamonds. It's my boy Connor.
What up, baby?
What up?
How long does that thing go for?
I've got 2 hours and 40 minutes on 4K. I think the memory card will run out before the battery does. Fishing with dead shrimp today. Some frozen shrimps. These boys right here. That's what these pinfish like. Or should I say love? Just gonna rip the head off. Rip this in half. Diamonds, really diamonds. Using a croaker rig here, 2 hooks. All right, baited up, ready to roll. Connor's having some technical difficulties over here. He alright though, he alright. Yeah. I'm going right to where I know they are. Oh, fish on. Oh, here we go. Got my ass sleeping too, dog. Fish on. Connor's got something decent over here. Ooh, snapper. Those things fight pretty decent.
Big ass rod is no good.
That was kind of why I didn't want to bring 3, so I don't have anything in front of me.
Well, that isn't really a problem. It's just having this rod that's so fucking 10 foot.
Dude, having a big rod is a blessing and a curse, you know?
That's right. Good thing I'm just blessed.
Just blessed. Got 2 nibbles here. Let's see if something picks up here.
fucking thing's got teeth.
Oh, here we go. Fish on. Oh, yeah. He's not coming in quietly. Oh, yeah. Little snapper. Little snapper action. Yeah, there he is. Amped up. Ooh, off the hook. Ooh, trying to find a way through the bottom of the boat. All right, buddy. You're in the boat. You're not going anywhere. You mine. You mine now. Mine.
Damn, dude, the slime.
Chill, bruh.
Smells like a northern pike.
Chill, bruh. Little red snapper action. Got to death grip him. Throw him in the live well. That's bait. Booyah, one in the tank. First fish of the day down. On to number 2. I like to twitch these shrimp through the water, just give them a little action. The other day, Connor caught a big sheep's head off these pillars right here. Surprised us both. We'll catch porgies and pinfish all day off this dock. Oh, I'm getting hit. But he pulled up a nice sheep's head. There's another hit. Here he is. Come on, take it. Swam it out to me. Ooh, missed him. Ooh, got a tap right there. Something's on it. Fish on. Oh yeah. There's one. Whoa, shit. Oh yeah. Big porgy. Oh yeah. Let's go. Woo. Damn. That's a good sized one, dude.
They look like redfish almost.
Yeah. Woo! This one's strong.
Crazy, yeah, like for a little fish.
Yeah. Let this guy tire out a little bit. So that's what's biting today. Lots of these guys. That's one of the bigger ones I've caught. It's a good fight on light tackle. There he is. Oh yeah. Wicked teeth on these things, dude.
Yeah.
You gotta see this like bigger one.
Like bang.
His teeth are, yeah. His teeth are not playing around. Oh, I got you now. You mine now. Ooh. Got a hit there. Throw that pinfish back.
No, I put him in my bucket.
There you go.
At some point we should go over across the bridge into the bay over there.
Yeah, I'm down.
Oh, there's a nice hit.
Yeah. Connor's hooked up. What's he got?
Big old pin.
Nice big pin. Ooh, there's a tap. Double up. Come on now. Let's get that double. This is an epic shot. Oh, fish on. Like a freight train, baby. Damn, that's a good sized one. Holy shit. God damn, that's a big one. Woo! Oh, dude, big one. Nice. Trying to let him tucker himself out a little bit here before I get him in the boat all fired up. Oh yeah. Oof. Dude, I'm telling you. Yeah, there he is. Off the hook, perfect. Woo! That's a big boy right there. Oh. Look at that guy. Yeah, baby. Nice fish. That's decent. I mean, I could totally fillet this guy, but
One of those mutton snappers? I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe a mutton snapper.
It's not a mutton. Muttons have more colors. But yeah.
It's some type of snapper, I think.
Oh yeah, I agree. It's in the snapper family. Nice fight. Cool fish. Some vicious teeth on him. Actually, his teeth are different. That's a different species than those ones.
Looks the same.
No, man, teeth are way different. He's got flat teeth. It's a little vegetarian guy. Dude, beast. Way sick. All right, gonna let this guy go. Later, buddy. Sick. I saw his color and I thought for a second that was a sheep's head again. This is that spot Connor cut that sheep's head off right here. Good sized sheep's head. Hey, how you doing?
Never better, you?
That's good. Excellent. Catching some fish out here.
Have you had luck?
Yeah, we've caught about 7 or 8 so far. They're all right under your feet. There's one. There's one. Yeah.
One just broke my arm.
This is a good fish. Damn. Woo!
And they're not even like
Towing me.
big fish.
Oh.
My goodness.
Big spotted fin.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yes. There he is.
Very nice.
Woo! These guys are fun.
Now, what's making that noise? Do you have a little...
Yeah, I've got an aerator in that bucket back there.
Okay.
Bait alive.
Thing pulled like a tank.
Wow.
Some vicious little teeth. There he is.
Look at this.
And spotted pinfish. Yes, sir. Let's get him back in the water.
Make somebody else happy.
That's right.
Have a great day, gentlemen.
You too. So I got this spotted pinfish on now. We're gonna let this guy kick around for a while, see if we can't stir the blues up. He's putting off some good vibrations. Good vibes for the blues. We're gonna see if they won't come in. Yeah, Connor out here slaying them. Got himself a spotted pin. Spotted penny pin. How you feel about that, dude?
Be alright.
It be alright, ain't shit. It be like that. Yeah, it be like that. Oh, watch out now. Hot tamale.
Damn,
Yeah.
my teeth are so...
Oh, on the patty fly. On the patty jig. There he is.
In there? I don't know. It doesn't zoom up.
Yeah, can edit that.
Nasty little...
Me and the boy Connor just doubled up right here.
Cheers.
Cheers, dog. Couple pins, primo bait. Gonna take these over to the bridge, see if we can't stir up some trouble. Double trouble. Suffering. Yeah.
Yeah.
Connor just caught a snapper. Dope catch, dude. Got Johnny Depp coming in hot. Black pearl. We are hooked up on something decent right here. Oh, there he is. Yeah, Porgy. Nice. Woo! Damn. These things are beasts.
Got real color.
Dude, he swallowed it. They look sheep's headish, but they're not. Damn. Dude, you should have seen the first run he did. He pulled some drag. I wish I had the whole thing on video. He pulled drag and then he started pulling me once I tightened down. Woo! I'm gonna have to cut the line on this one. Yeah, he like swallowed it. I'm gonna eat him. Yeah, that's dinner. Got some dinner. Woo! Porgy-licious. Back home now. Had a great day on the water. Caught a lot of fish. All in all, we probably caught about 35, 40 fish between both of us. Porgies, blue-nosed porgies, pinfish, you name it. Caught spotted pinfish. Caught a bunch of different fish yesterday. This was my first time out with my new GoPro, and the batteries die on these quickly. It's probably because the screen's backlit all the time. I don't know. Life was pretty short on the GoPro, so I learned I need to buy some extra batteries. I'll have that next time, be able to get more footage. But if you guys like this video, like, subscribe to the channel. A lot more content like this. We're gonna go out there and get some bigger fish. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.